Hey there, my name is Forrest and this is Callan. We are at Fully Loaded Electronics and Callan is going to help us get set up with our new arcade cart 2. Our arcade cart is so easy to set up that he's going to do it with a broken finger. Let's get started. Make sure you have everything you need. The cart comes with 4 of each fastener, washer, and nut you see here. It also comes with an Allen key set, but you should only need one of the Allen keys. Grab a screwdriver. A wrench and a friend will help too. The spine of the cart already has the wiring done throughout. You'll just need to make sure your video game system fits the security case, as all the cases are made to fit their respective systems. First, take the spine of the cart and fit it into the base, then lay it back down so that you can reach the bottom of the cart. On the underside of the base, there are 4 holes that the Allen screws go into. Get them all finger tight, then go back through with your Allen key to make sure they're secure. Stand the cart back up and grab your security case from Fully Loaded Electronics. There are 4 holes on the back of the security case. Take the long screws and the large washers and put them through the holes from the inside of the case. It might be best to have a friend help you here. Put the top 2 screws through their holes on the lower visa plate, then fasten them with the small washer and nut combination. A screwdriver can fit through the vent slots on the face of the case. Have your friend use a wrench to keep the nut in place while you turn the screws. After you've fastened all 4 screws, go ahead and put in your game console. Make sure that the console is facing the right direction and that the access holes for the power button and the disc reader are lined up. Lock it in both places with the supplied key. You'll have 2 cables here. Plug in the power cord. If there's 2 HDMI ports, you'll want to plug in the cable into the HDMI out slot. Help your friend line up the TV with the holes on the top visa plate. Insert all 4 of the small black screws and get them finger tight. Once all 4 are in, go back through with your screwdriver and make sure they're set. The other ends of the cables are here. Go ahead and plug in the power cord and the HDMI cable. These are your controller holders. If they're not already on, zip tie them through one of the vent slots in the case. Bend them up and out so they can happily carry your game controllers. Your cart is pretty much done. Plug it in with the long gray cable, grab the remote, and turn on the TV. It might take a couple seconds. If you come up with fuzzies like this, hit the source button and use the directional pad to navigate to the HDMI input. Press the power button on your console. When you're done with the remote, stick it on the back of the TV with the provided Velcro. There's a button on the bottom of the TV that acts as a joystick. If you don't have the remote, press it to turn the TV on. Tilt it so the input list shows, and then tilt it towards the HDMI input. Now turn on your favorite game and enjoy your brand new FLE Arcade II mobile gaming cart. Thanks for choosing Fully Loaded Electronics.